So welcome students. So in this question you're given that 2a plus b is this matrix, a minus 2b is this matrix. So in that case you're asked to find trace of a minus trace of b. To solve this question you need to know what trace is. Trace is nothing but the sum of diagonal elements. Diagonal elements. Trace is the sum of diagonal elements. Now I want the trace of a minus b. So there are two ways to do this. I can just solve these equations to find a, I get trace of a. Solve these equations to find b, I get trace of b. I can subtract one from the other. Or I can use trace of a minus trace of b is nothing but trace of a minus b. So if I can find a minus b using these two equations also, I can get the answer. So if I want a minus b, so if you want to directly solve this, you can do it very easily. So I multiply this with 2, and if I multiply the second equation with 2 and if I subtract it, so I'll get the value of b, the matrix b, and if I multiply this with 2 and I add them, I get the matrix A. So that can be done. There's no doubt about it. So let me do it in a different way. So I want a minus b. What should I do with these two equations to get a minus b? So let us say that I'll multiply my first equation with lambda and my second equation with mu to get a minus b. So I'm trying to find the value of lambda and mu which give me a minus b. So a times 2 lambda plus mu plus b times lambda minus 2 mu is equal to a minus b. So according to this, 2 lambda plus mu is equal to 1 and lambda minus 2 mu is equal to minus 1. So can I solve these two equations? It is easy to solve. I don't need to write everything. So 2 lambda plus mu is equal to 1. Lambda minus 2 mu is equal to minus 1. So I'll multiply this with 2 and I'll subtract this. So you get 5 mu is equal to 3. So mu is equal to 3 by 5. And if you put mu is equal to 3 by 5, so if you put mu is equal to 3 by 5, 2 lambda is equal to 1 minus 3 by 5 is 2 by 5. So lambda is equal to 1 by 5. So 3 by 5 and 1 by 5. So that means if I multiply the first equation with 1 by 5 and the second equation with 3 by 5 and add them, I get a minus b. So let me do that. In one step I will get the answer. So I need to multiply the first equation with what? 3 by 5. Lambda. Sorry, the first equation with 1 by 5. I have to multiply the first equation with 1 by 5 and the second equation with mu is 3 by 5. And if I add, this side I'll get a minus b. So this side I'll get a matrix. I need to find the trace of this. So effectively what I can do is, so if I multiply this side with 1 by 5, what does the trace become? The trace of this matrix into 1 by 5. So what is the trace of this into 1 by 5? So the trace of this is 4, 5, 6, 7. The trace is 7. If I multiply it with 1 by 5, I get 7 by 5 as the trace. And the trace of this is 3, 6. The trace of this is 6. If I multiply the matrix with 3 by 5, the trace will become 3 by 5 times 6, right? So if I add these to this side, I'm getting a minus b. So whatever trace I get here, that's the answer. So the trace, required trace will be 7 plus 18, that is 25 by 5 is equal to 5. So the trace of this is 7 by 5 plus 18 by 5 is equal to 5. So I hope you saw what I have been doing. Thank you.